Here we are, our entranceway in. Smart car and away. Enjoy my pictures.
Champion Explorer. Travis.
There's the mansion we want to go in. It's a bit more dilapidated from last time when we came. Floors were collapsing before. Don't know what they're like now. Tractor here. I'm also with Top Abandoned Places and Complex Urbex as well. And Big Boy Paul. We're now inside the property. As you can see, we're in upstairs. It's just too dodgy. Floors collapsed everywhere. But just make sure one person stays on each floor at the same time. It's just way too risky. I'm gonna head back down the stairs now and possibly leave the building. Whole stairs come away from the wall. There's the fox again. Turn my light off. Maybe you'll be able to get better vision, better focus in. There we are. There we are, there's Finn and the gas man. The others I think have left the property. We're the last ones in here. Give another year, if that. You can see the whole lot's going to come down. Didn't see that lamp there before. That's interesting. Right. Right. Finn's a bit confused. He's not sure where to step. I don't blame him because the place is so dangerous. Here the floor's actually gone, and you can see a wardrobe there on a bit of the floor in midair.
This is why
that is definitely it now from Thornhill Manor, it's called. I think it'll be our last time here by looking at the condition on it. Like and subscribe. Top Cat Urban Explorer, exploring the Gasman, exploring the Finn, the Welsh Dragon, Complex Urbex, and Top Abandoned Places.